Hello and welcome to this Channel Vision Magazine podcast. I am your host, Senior Editor of Channel Vision Magazine, Bruce Christian. Today, we are going to be speaking with Bicom Systems, which has been researching and integrating innovative open source telephony projects since 2003. Specifically, we will be exploring three of Bicom's products, PBXware, gloCOM, and gloCOM Go. Joining us from Bicom Systems are product owners Semir, Karic, and Dalibor, Bradvic, as well as Business Success Manager Patrice Bramat. Welcome. Let's start with you, Patrice. Before we get into the products, tell us a little bit about Bicom, where you operate, and what distinguishes you from your competitors.
Thank you, Bruce, and hi, everyone. Well, to give a quick presentation or introduction of who we are at Bicom Systems, I would start by saying that we are a software company specialized in telecom. That's our core business. Our three founders created this company 15 years ago, and we have now deployed on every continent with approximately 460 active partners. As you ask me, what makes a difference between us and other software businesses? Well, first, I would say our products, basically. Our PBXware platform, was the first of its class when launched 15 years ago. And still today, it's our best-selling product on our market. What makes a difference in this product? It's basically its scalability. You can start small, and usually our customers are small to medium-sized businesses, and then you can expand your systems as you grow. Just to give you an example, our multi-tenant PBXware can manage up to 200 tenants. And what I mean by a tenant, it would be, a business like a car dealer, a real estate agent, basically any end user businesses. So 200 tenants can be hosted on only one multi-tenant PBXware. And that's approximately 1,500 extensions, all of that on one single license. Our latest version, which is 6.3 that we released a couple of months ago, has many new features, and I believe my colleagues, product owners, will go more into details about this later. How can I explain our business model in terms of difference? Basically, our strategy today is based on supporting our partners to add VoIP to their services by offering them a white label solution, a full white label solutions. They can each adequate to their purposes. We have a very clear channel strategy with them. We do not deal with the end users. Our partners' customers remain their customers and only their customers. And we want to build a long-term relationship with them based on transparency and trust. And that's actually my job. So some of our key partners have been working with us for more than 10 years now. And as we say to them and to the new partners, your business, your brand, your way. That's basically the punchline that we repeat every time we have a new customer onboarding. Finally, I would like to say that our customer base is full of success stories, basically. Many of our partners started, as I said, as small to medium-sized businesses and have expanded their business with our product. Our software suite of products provide a real competitive advantage with PBXware, serverware, and our unified communication platform, gloCOM. But again, I believe my colleagues, product owners, will get more into details about this later.
Thank you, Patrice. Now let's tackle the products mentioned at the top of the podcast. First, let's talk about PBXware, and for that, we'll turn to Dalibor Bradvic.
Hello. My name is Dalibor Bradvic, and I'm a PBXR product owner. And today I'll talk about PBXR, Bicom System original product company started with at 2003. At that time, even the creator of Asterisk said that it would be impossible to create a graphic user interface for Asterisk, and we managed to do that, being the first to introduce Asterisk-based PBX with the graphical user interface. So I can say that PBXware is the world's first and most mature professional open standards standards turnkey telephony platform since 2003. PBXware has deployed flexible, reliable, and scalable new generation communication systems to small and medium-sized businesses, enterprises, and even some governments worldwide by unifying the latest and most advanced technologies. Our slogan from the beginning was advanced simplicity. Well, in Bicom systems, we realized that people want things simple and easy to use with complex and powerful behavior. And that is exactly what we are offering to them. We are usually hiding complex background operation behind a simple button in the web interface. Because of this fact and the level of support we are offering to our partners, PBXware owners don't have to be technically skilled to be able to configure advanced telephony features, systems, allowing them to concentrate more on the business side. Well, in addition to this, we have a licensing system which allows us to keep our interface as simple as possible with the ability to add new features to the system at any time. During the years, we realized that there is no one-size-fits-all solution for business communication, so PBXware is available in 3 different editions: the Business Edition, Contact Center Edition, and Multitenant Edition, each supporting specific feature which maximize performance, reliability, and expandability. Also, it can be used as Class 5 soft switch or VoIP switch. Business Edition is our extensive and fully customizable VoIP solution, providing you with a comprehensive set of features and capabilities of the enterprise phone system. Together with the Contact Center and Multi-Tenant Edition, Business Edition of PBXware enables you to transform the way you conduct business and increase efficiency in the workplace, with each edition supporting specific features, maximizing performance, reliability, and expandability. Business Edition offers great flexibility and customization capability, allowing you to have more control over the final product, with unique deployment options ranging from on-premise soft switch deployments based on bespoke units and custom hardware to hosted PBX solutions served using serverware in the cloud. Contact Center Edition of PBXware is designed to simplify and enhance call management at the busy call centers and contact centers of any size. Together with the Business and Multi-Tenant Editions, Contact Center PBX enables you to increase efficiency in the workspace and transform the way you conduct business, with each edition supporting specific features to maximize performance. Contact Center gives your business all the tools it needs to effectively start and manage inbound call campaigns with detailed statistics, reporting, and monitoring. Also, it does it through the queuing or automatic call distribution systems, which help keep customers on the line by routing incoming calls to the agent with the most suitable skill set who can address the caller's need properly. ACD is a very important component of our contact center and every communication system. Some of its capabilities include priority routing, first in, first out, different strategies, queues, callback, call monitor, barging, whispering, and more. In addition to ACD, we have a dialer which adds outbound and blending capabilities to Contact Center Edition of PBXware. Contact Center also offers a unique experience through agent and supervisor application. It's a desktop application which provides an important information and functionalities to agents and supervisors. Also, we have real-time agent monitoring, even wallboard, enhanced statistics, monitor pages, and so on. And the third edition is a multi-tenant edition. It's basically a VoIP switch with multi-tenancy architecture supporting many tenants with multiple levels of administration, providing different permissions. Multi-tenant enables you to increase efficiency in the workspace and transform the way you conduct business in the same way the business and contact center editions do. Multi-tenant is basically IPPBX, multiple IPPBXs on a single instance. It is able to handle multiple customers or tenants within a single instance of the software. Even though every customer has a dedicated PBX, they all share the same asterisk instance. And using the single instance for all customers cut down operating costs significantly. Well, we have it in all edition, but comprehensive role-based management is very important for multi-tenant systems, giving system administrator ability to create groups and user permission in order to delegate the administration of PBXware or tenants. Users are grouped by administrator, site admin, operator, manager, and other custom groups. When you are moving to PBXware from other telephony systems, is that you can use your existing IP phones. PBXware is compatible with most IP phones on the market. We support all major suppliers and most of the phones, and we have agreement with the biggest one with Polycom, Link, and some other. We get the devices even before they are available on the market. So when our customers buy the phones, they are already supported by the PBXR. We also support custom developments. It's our way to grow together with our customers, with our partners. We welcome and deliver custom development in a professional and affordable manner. The whole idea is to grow together with our customers. So if they need customization to be able to conclude the sale, we are giving our best to help them to develop new features in a timely manner, so both partner and Bicom systems could benefit of it. Just a couple of words about our latest version. It's a PBXR 6. It introduces several new features such as directory sync management, which enable validation of users via an LDAP server. This makes it faster for users to sync and manage extensions from a single location rather than making changes on phone systems individually. We also introduced Meeting, which supports voice, video, and screen sharing. Latest big feature we made is SMS. It's basically P2P SMS support with MMS and bulk messaging coming soon. One more important feature we developed recently is archiving, and it allows users to upload CDRs and the recordings to Amazon, Google, FTP, and SFTP servers with Bicom archiving storage service as a part, which is a part of serverware, and that is coming soon. So basically, that's a short introduction for PBXware. It's a really huge software, and it's hard to explain everything in a limited time.
Wow, Dalibor, that's a lot of information. Thank you so much for that. Now let's turn to gloCOM and gloCOM Go and its product owner, Semir Karic.
Hello, I'm Semir Karic. I'm product owner for gloCOM and gloCOM Go. It's basically the same team that develops powerful desktop and mobile applications. So what is basically gloCOM? gloCOM is a powerful desktop unified communications application that's specifically designed to take your business communication to a whole new level by tightly integrating with our PBXware. That's our VoIP telephony platform that my colleague Dalibor just mentioned before. So the main purpose of gloCOM is to simplify and enhance your day-to-day communication and collaboration experience by packing everything you actually need for a successful collaboration and working with your staff, including desk phone integration, soft phone, instant and SMS messaging, conferencing, CRM integration, faxing, file transfer functionality, and much, much more. All gloCOM features are neatly packed within a single desktop application interface with great user experience available on all major desktop platforms. So you can download it for Windows and Mac OS. Also, gloCOM is offered in Office Business, Agent, and Supervisor editions that match our PBXware editions that Dalibor also mentioned for PBXware. Each of these editions are supporting specific features, maximizing efficiency and productivity for your company. So, Office gloCOM enables small startups and small and mid-sized businesses to use the corporate class phone system that's tailored to their needs and budget. Business Edition, on the other hand, brings more power, flexibility, and efficiency for small and medium-sized businesses, but also contains a larger set of features for large corporate clients. On the other side, for call centers, we have Agent and Supervisor editions that simplify and enhance call management. So Supervisor edition contains comprehensive monitoring, tracking, and reporting, while Agent editions has all of the right tools to maximize call center agent productivity. So top features of Agent editions are real-time agent and queue monitoring, wallboard, unlimited queues, queue statistics and reports, IVR statistics, and much, much more. Also, one of the key things that separates gloCOM from others is rich branding support. So, as most companies are aware that good branding sets you apart from your competition and improves your company's value, promotes recognition, and makes finding new customers much easier. So when choosing the right type of branding for your organization, there's no actually one-size-fits-all solution. That's why we have designed 3 different branding options for gloCOM. First one is our main brand gloCOM. That's Bicom Systems branded option, which includes our company's logo and our branding, and it's the most affordable because it's using our branding. The second one is Communicator. That's a non-branded option that removes all mentions of Bicom Systems. And in addition to removing all of the Bicom Systems branding from the application, user has the option to set the homepage and help page links, as well as their own company logo via Bicom Release Manager. And our most powerful branding option is OEM. That's branding according to customer specifications. This branding option removes all mentions of Bicom Systems and allows the customer to add their brand name, their logo, set their homepage and help page links, change application name and icon. Actually, this OEM is the most powerful because we create the entire new application that's called with your name, that has your logo, and publish them on our download server and publish them on Play Store and iOS and Apple Store as well. So in the last few months, besides all of these features, we've been tightly working with PBXware team on SMS support, and in the next release, our customers can expect full MMS support as well, integrated into our desktop and our mobile apps. Besides gloCOM, that's our gloCOM desktop application, we have gloCOM Go. gloCOM Go is a mobile application that we like to call an office in your pocket. It's specifically designed for customers who have to be online all the time to deliver their own service benefits for their own clients. gloCOM Go application is available for customers to download on Android Play Store and Apple Store as gloCOM and Communicator app based on the branding you have purchased. Besides this, if you are OEM customers, which I will not mention them here, they have their own separate application on Android Play Store and iOS Apple Store. So gloCOM Go provides unified presence, chat, and call history sync between mobile and desktop devices and provides you an on-the-go experience that matches our desktop app. So it's tightly integrated with gloCOM Desktop, but it doesn't have to be. So you can have a gloCOM Desktop and everything will be synced, or you can just use the mobile applications if you're constantly on the go. Besides having your presence, messages, and call history synced across devices, one of the cooler options we have is device switching during the call. So in case you need to get up from your workstation during a call and go outside, you can just click on switch device option and pick up the call on your mobile app. After you're done and you return to the office, you can easily switch back and transfer the call back to desktop application again, and your third party, the person you're calling, wouldn't even know that you switched devices and you've transferred your work device or workplace. Also, one of the distinctive features of mobile application is callback. This feature provides you to enter your GSM mobile number, and in case of very bad internet connection, you can arrange a callback to be made on your phone. This will signal our PBXware system to call you on your mobile phone and connect the call to the third party you're calling, ensuring that you have the best voice quality without any interference, even in case of bad internet connection, because we actually don't use internet calling, but the PBXware will call you on your mobile phone number. Also, it's worth mentioning that gloCOM can be used independently of gloCOM desktop app as well. And we have some clients that use only gloCOM Go and desk phones, as it provides everything they need for their business needs.
Well, Semir, thank you. That's very interesting. That gloCOM Go really sounds very convenient. And I'm sure that your partners are going to want to get in on some of this action. So, Patrice, maybe you can speak to what is in it for the partners.
I can indeed, yeah. We launched this program, this partners program, about 2 years ago. The purpose of this program is pretty much similar to what exists on the market today, with some very, very important differences. Usually, what I explained before is that we want to create and to build a long-term relationships with our partners based on transparency and trust. Once we said that, the best way to illustrate this is to present what we have into our partners program. So basically, it's not down to the amount of business that you do with us that would give you the eligibility to enter that program. It's not only that, actually. It's much more than that. We want our candidate that want to enter into this partners program first, of course, to do some kind of business with us. That's of course one of the criteria, but not the only one. We also want them to provide us with some case studies, best practice they may have. We want them to be fully open to beta testing programs that we have on a regular basis, which are run by my colleagues, Semir and Dalibor, and other product owners when we launch a new product. We also want them to communicate with us on a regular basis. We want them to share with us what's inside the organization in terms of who does what, basically, and to be totally transparent with that. And we also want them to fully collaborate when they have some a new integration or new product they want us to develop or to integrate with our systems. So it's much more than just one single amount of business and then you have access to such and such. It's really much wider than that, and that has to illustrate the long-term relationship we want to create with our partners. The benefit they get by getting into this program is some kind of a discount, of course, but again, it's much more than that. It's it's a special care, I would say, a special care from us, from the whole company, to their needs. So we want to enhance our interaction with them. We want to listen on a more frequent, regular basis with them. We want to collect their feedback. We want to hear from them. So as I can say, we really want to be hearing from them on a much more regular basis than the other partners.
Okay, for those who want more information on these and any other Bicom Systems products and services, how can our listeners reach you?
Oh, they can reach us at sending us an email at business-success at bicomsystems.com. That would be our generic email address at Business Success. Or they can go on the website where they're going to see any details about the 3 levels of the partners program we have: certified, premium, and master. And I forgot to say that entering this program is also a process in which you have a technical test to pass. So it's not just about sales and marketing action, it's also about technical level requirements. I also wanted to say that we're going to have a very important booth at the Enterprise Connect trade show that is going to take place in Orlando at the end of September. And actually, our product owners that just did this presentation today will be attending, as well as our CEO and myself. So it would be a great opportunity for us to meet our new partners and some leads or whoever would be interested to know more about our product and solutions. So meet you there.
With that, I'd like to thank Bicom Systems product owners Semir, Karic, and Dalibor Bradvic, as well as Business Success Manager Patrice Bramat, for joining us on this podcast. I also want to remind our listeners that you can access this podcast and all Channel Vision podcasts on demand from our website, channelvisionmag.com. And now, from all of us at Channel Vision Magazine, thanks for listening and have a safe and prosperous day.